Hello everybody, Kirby and Mario Sunshine here, and we're back with some more Animal Crossing New Leaf in this episode from Puck. Not Puck! But he's like the best penguin ever. No. Why Puck? No! Out of everyone, Puck! I'm gonna miss him deeply to my heart. I hope he moves on to a better town, where he lives a better life. I hope he has a fun time there. Or at least he comes to visit my town, at least, I hope. Oh, it's Phineas. Oh, good day to you, youngster. Walking in the evening, well, always makes me feel uneasy. May I have a badge? So we got a badge for the environment of the town. I got the backyard gardener. Yeah, so I've gotten a lot more green here. Hey look, it's bacon. Or chops. Yeah, I haven't played Animal Crossing in a while, I'm sorry, but I'm trying to do my usual daily updates. And winter is nearly over here in Animal Crossing, so spring will start soon as possible. You know, this game hasn't been as fun as, like, when it, first came out. Like, all the time I discovered something new. And stuff like that. Now, sometimes it gets ruined. But, whatever. Okay, let's... Anything? Because I'm trying to see if there's a centipede in there. Because centipedes usually come out around this time, and really my hopes of getting one have been short. So, let's see. Oh, bamboo started growing as well in my town. Got some from the Nook, the department store. Oh, here we go, some coins. Boom. Perfect. Do we have anything that we could drop if our bag is full? Oh, I forgot the fertilizer we bought the other day. Oh, 2 weeds. At least it's not like a lot. Let's plant a tree right here. We need to plant the fertilizer as well. Berry. Plant. Or I guess not. There we go. So I guess we're going to buy some more flowers and talk about what we're going to do in the future. First, let's see what's in here. Anything to sell? I don't know. Oh. Guess I could sell a few things. Surveillance cam. Let's... I'm gonna keep... Let's see what you're doing. I'll go for it. Well, we got her something. A little lily pad table. And I know there's a Wii U update today, a small one, but I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure if it does it by itself, the updates. I really don't know. But lately, I don't have Donkey Kong Country... Not Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze, but I'm hoping one day to at least get it. Maybe one day, but right now I'm focusing more on Mario Kart 8 and other games I'm looking forward to. Mario Kart 8, Smash Brothers for the Wii U and 3DS, which is coming around the holiday season. So I'm hoping that my family members buy it so that it eliminates $100 off my buying list. And here we are, and we have a fertilizer for us. You know, I hope that in the next Animal Crossing, they add, like, not only new fruits again, but, like, more bugs to catch. And, like, a new way to catch stuff. Like, I know that the underwater thing was added, But why can't there be like, uh, I'm not sure, but like something that would would be like helpful, not like a new thing to catch. Maybe like a camera and stuff like that, and like the gyro thing could be like some stuff, and you can find some secrets. I don't know, like something that could like add on to like the gameplay, improve what New Leaf didn't do, and like make that the Animal Crossing, like, you know, Animal Crossing gets better and better with every single new installment. Like in this one, you take an entire different role. It changes everything, and it's very addicting, unlike the other ones. Like, the other ones were addicting, but they weren't as addicting as this. There's big ways to make money, and it's on the 3DS. And I hope in the next Animal Crossing, they could allow like 2 players to play at the same time. Like, they either have like split screen sometimes. Oh, somebody's online on my 3DS. The orange just flashed up. Oh, let's plant some flowers here. Red pansy, and the other one is a white rose. So let's plant the white rose here. So I'm hoping that they add like a co-op or something like that. Oh, let's plant this quickly. Plant. Yeah, what do you want? I'll take it. How is 160 very expensive for a book? Well then, let's see what Wart Jr. is doing here. Wait, Wart from Super Mario Bros. Who gave birth to a son? Well, I guess he did. If his name's apparently Wart Jr., then he's gotta be the son of Wart. And a flower just died. God bless it. Anyways, as I told you on my, I think, Sonic video, oh, another bamboo grew. Oh, shocking. No, not here. But, as I said before in my Sonic Adventure video, that new Super Mario Bros. U and we will be coming back soon. Well, I don't know soon, but they're gonna come back as soon as possible. Maybe I'll continue with a few parts with along with DC, but then it's just gonna mostly be me and TMZ. Oh, dandelions. We could plant them. So let's put a sweet olive start right here. Dandelions, you'll be right here with the other dandelions. I'm not sure what dandelions do. Do they do the same thing like weeds? I don't know. Oh. We have a silver ink thing. I meant to shovel you. I know it's awesome to see me. I'm the mayor. So, and yeah, I think tomorrow will be maybe the first episode of the start of the the Kirby and the Mario Brothers. Maybe, I'm not sure. What else? And soon enough, we're going to be getting ready for more Sonic Adventure, because we're almost done with it. We just need one more action stage, and Eggman as the final boss. Yeah, Eggman is the final boss for the Sonic storyline. But don't worry, the other storylines like Amy, Knuckles, E102, Tails, and Big aren't as long. Like, I know Big's and Amy's are pretty short, because Amy's missions are about running away. And Big's are about fishing, which I'm a master at fishing in Sonic Adventure. But trust me, it's gonna be easy for me. Let's play it right here. So I think I may be finished with those two in no time. I think I'll be doing Biggs first, and then Amy, and then I'll go on to E102 since I like his gameplay, and then I'll go on to Knuckles, and then save. No, actually, I'll go on to Tails. Knuckles is worst for last. Like, I do like how Knuckles is. Like, he's probably one of my favorite Sonic characters next to Shadow. Like, Shadow's my all-time favorite. He's badass. But then I put Vector on number 3 because his voice. It's awesome. SBO probably number 5. Like, if I could name my top 10 Sonic characters, I would name them. But the thing is, I really do not want to at the moment. I would like to name my top 7 favorites, but it's just not like time. Maybe like in a later video I'll say what my top 7 Sonic characters are. So anyways, I'm getting the money here. Combining it. You know, we're doing the daily stuff. You know, usual. Here we go. Boom. Boom. I think since my house increased the last time, I think we're gonna add a new thing for the town. So, let's see what I want to add. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna be doing this pattern every time I'm done building one area of my house. I'll start building like areas for town and stuff. Public work projects. I'll start a new project. Let's see, a fairy tale bench or water well. Let's find something creative. A custom design fake face cutout stand. I think that will do good. Town needs one of these. Let's have some fun. Okay, so let's find a spot where we could put this. We'll put it next to... Think over... I'm actually having a tough time knowing where to put this. Maybe right over... There's just really not that much space due to all the houses. I think over here is good. Is it? Yeah, what do you think? Perfect. Yeah, that's good. So this gyroid over here is going to be helping out. I'm just going to pay off camera, but yeah, you already know that I'm going to pay it off. That flag, no. And we're just going to see how good we're taking care of our town. No, not advice for living here. I already know how. It's so easy. Well, I guess I'll tell you in the next episode. Oh, fishing. So, all my videos look like, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. So, see you all in the next day of Animal Crossing and Sonic Adventure and etc. etc. Bye.